Specific to medical device usage, there's a lot of different market segments within the medical use device area and arena. You're seeing a lot more automation deployment just because the use need is higher. It's goods to person is what it comes down to. We need to understand how to scale and scale with the need. And you scale with need with automation. You're seeing a large use of AGVs, AMR for deployment. You're also seeing it in the warehouses for getting the products to people faster. You're seeing a lot more robotics being used internal to the factories. It reduces scrap overall, and it just allows for higher throughput. Automotive is used automation for years and years and years. What you're seeing a lot more these days is actually the use of AGVs, AMRs. It helps in elimination of fork trucks and the human need, and also increases safety. Safety being key to any industry, it's just automation helps to negate some of that.